be maths, angles and pairs of angles. कोन व कोनांच्या जोड्या. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कोन म्हणजे काय? दोन किरणांच्या संयोगातून कोन तयार होतो हे आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. When two rays meet at a common point, that is a vertex, an angle is formed. Now in this figure, this is ray BC and ray BA, and these two rays form an angle ABC. Okay, so the common point is called the vertex of the angle. This is ray 1 and this is ray 2. Now in this figure, ray BA, we will read this as ray BA and not ray AB, right? Ray BA and ray BC, and this will together form an angle ABC. Okay, we will write it as right angle sign, angle A, B and angle ABC. So name of the angle will be, what will be the name of the angle? Angle ABC, which is the vertex point B, and two arms, the rays are the arms of the angle, that is ray BA or side BA and ray BC or side BC. Now let's learn the interior and exterior of an angle. This is angle ABC. Look at this figure carefully. There is some shaded portion, and this shaded portion is inside the angle, okay, between two rays. So this is called interior of an angle, कोनाचा अंतर्भाग. Then what is exterior? See this portion. This is the outside portion, and this portion is known as exterior of an angle. Now let's take some points. See, observe the figure carefully. Now these are some points. Now dear students, see, point P and point R are in the interior of an angle, whereas point Q, point T and point S lies in the exterior of an angle. तर कोनाच्या अंतर्भागातील बिंदू पॉइंट P आणि पॉइंट R आणि बिंदू Q, बिंदू T आणि बिंदू S हे कोनाच्या बाह्य भागातील बिंदू आहेत. Okay? Now take one more example. This is the angle. First of all, write down the name of an angle. What is the name of the angle? PQR. Okay? Now write down the points in the interior of an angle, points in the exterior of an angle, and points on the arms of an angle. Now first of all, write down name of the angle, that is angle PQR. Q is the vertex. Okay, here Q is the vertex. Now points in the interior of an angle. Which are the points in the interior? See, point A, then point D and point F, and points in the exterior, point B and point C. Now what about point G, point E, point R? Right, they are on the arms. So points on the arms will be point P, point G, point Q, point E and point R. Q is the vertex as well as it is on the arm only. Now let's understand what is the meaning of adjacent angle. संलग्न कोन म्हणजे काय? Now this is an angle. Its name is angle AOC. Remember, the vertex should be in between these 2 points. That is angle AOC. Now I have taken one more ray, ray OB in between. Now because of this ray OB, we are getting 2 angles. So see here, This is angle AOB, right? And another angle we are getting, that is angle BOC. Dear friends, you see that O is the common vertex of both the angles. Similarly, OB is the common arm, right? OB for both. Here also OB, here also BO means OB only. So, ज्या दोन कोनांचा शिरोबिंदू सामायिक असतो, एक भुजा सामायिक असते, मात्र त्यांचे अंतर्भाग विभिन्न असतात. Now, if I take a point over here, this point will not come in the interior of an angle BOC. So, see here, interior will be different. त्यांचे अंतर्भाग वेगवेगळे आहेत. Those angles are called as adjacent angles. Two angles having common vertex, common arm, but their interiors should be separate. They are said to be adjacent angles. See here, both the interiors are separate. One more example we will take. See here, two angles, common vertex here. In this case also common vertex. This is angle A and this one is angle B. Okay. Now angle vertex is O. This is the common arm. And see here, interiors are completely separate. So these are adjacent angles. In this case also. So dear students, let's understand. See here, in the first case, vertex is common, angle A and angle B. Vertex is common, arm is also common, but these are not adjacent angle because the interiors are overlapping. Okay, now this interior, this is A, and angle B also include this interior. So these are not adjacent angles. Now in second case, vertex is not common, their arm is also not common, their interiors are separate, therefore no common vertex, no common arm, therefore these are also not adjacent angles. And in third case, common vertex, common arm, and their interiors are separate, therefore these are adjacent angles. Okay. Now two angles are said to be adjacent angles if, what are the conditions? They should have a common vertex, they should have a common arm, and important condition is that they should have a separate interiors. Okay. See here, these are adjacent angles because they share a vertex, they share a side also, and their interiors are different. Here, they are not adjacent because angle A and B are overlapping each other. Interior of angle B also includes interior of angle A. Therefore, these are not adjacent angles. Here, they are also not adjacent. Why? They share a side. Common side will be there. See, this is a common side, but no common vertex. Their interiors are also separate, but no common vertex. Therefore, these are also not adjacent angles. Here, they are also not adjacent because they share a vertex. Their interiors are separate, but they are not sharing a common arm. Okay. Now here in this case, name the pairs of adjacent angles in the following figure. See here, angle AOB and angle AOC. This is the first pair. Common vertex O, common arm OA. Okay, OA, here also OA, and vertex common O. Therefore, these are the pairs of adjacent angles. Second one, this angle and this angle, see, common vertex, common arm OB, Interiors also separate. Therefore, second pair will be angle BOA and angle BOC. See, vertex should be in the middle. And third one, see here angle BOC and take this angle, again common vertex O, and in this case common arm will be OC. So angle BOC and angle AOC. OC will be the common arm. Now, are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. Now, first case, angle POQ. See here, angle POQ and angle AOQ. See here, OQ is the common arm, O is the common vertex. Their interiors are also separate. So, these are the adjacent angles. These are the pairs of adjacent angles. Next one, angle AOQ and angle SOR. See here, these are overlapping each other, right? They have a common vertex. So these are not pairs of adjacent angles as their interiors are not separate, right? Dear friends, व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर जरूर सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक यू.